The cabin air filter is located behind the glove box. Pull the panel to remove it. Remove the cover by prying it off. Push the tabs and pull to remove the cover.
Remove the contents of your glove box before attempting to change your cabin air filter.
Pull the air filter out of the housing. A new Purolator Boss Premium Cabin Air Filter with Febreze Freshness filters out harmful contaminants inside your vehicle.
Make sure the airflow arrow is pointing in the right direction.
Insert the new air filter into the assembly. Make sure that the edges of the filter are flush with the assembly.
The airflow arrow should point down.
Replace the cover by aligning the tabs and pushing it back in place. Replace the cover. Position the panel so that the tabs line up with their respective slots and press in.